Here we have a 2018 Lincoln weld cell. They're running headstock, tailstocks, 2 stations, 16 feet between centers. One fixture is 6 feet wide, and the other fixture here on this side is 8 feet wide. Has a Fanuc M-710IC welding robot, teach pendant. We have 2 identical weld cells. One is completely set up, the other one is not currently running, but it is identical to this cell here. Both 2018. Here's your Fanuc controls and your Lincoln S500 power supply here. Coming around here to the teach pendant. And then your other fixture right here. Looks like there's a head cleaner there for the weld system. I'll get a close up on the inside here. That's your head reamer, cleaner. Very nice system.